I will be president for all Americans, and this is so important to me.
This is not the outcome we wanted, and I'm sorry that we did not win this election.
Get your hands right back!
Muhammad didn't like the rules, he rewrote them.
People have asked me how you feel after the election and so forth, and I say, well, look, this is a clarifying moment. And I hope that building off the progress we've made, that what the President-elect is proposing works.